What's up? What's up, people? It's Easy Fix FX here again, and today I want to come at you with another valuable video. And today we're gonna cover the 5 main key reasons why you're failing in your forex journey, stuff that I also went through in my forex journey, and stuff that I've stopped doing, and the stuff that I had to stop doing in order to become consistently profitable and more consistent in the markets in a lot of different areas and ways. So I just want to go over the three things that you have to stop today in order to actually start succeeding in Forex. Otherwise, you're never going to make it in your Forex journey. Okay, so that's coming right up. So the first one that I want to talk about is, which I think is the most important one, is your state of mind. So your state of mind. What I've found with most traders is they're not actually, their mental well-being is not really where it needs to be, and basically that's causing your trading to suffer. So your stress levels. Okay, so your whole mental well-being has to be really on top point when you come into trading, because the markets are stressful. And a lot of people are eating very unhealthy. Some people are drinking. Like I remember I used to actually have a few beers and then take trades. So your mental health, your clarity, your focus in terms of your mental health is crucial when it comes to successful Forex trading. I had to start eating healthy. I had to stop drinking. I wasn't drinking heavily, but I had to cut out drinking completely. So you guys really need to sacrifice when it comes to trading, whether it's stock trading, forex trading, whatever it is. It's your mental health has to be really on point. So that's what I would recommend. Well, that's the first one. That's crucial. Okay, point number 2. Okay, social media. So you guys are too fixated on social media and watching all these gurus and stuff like that on YouTube. All these trading gurus who are they're actually fake gurus, most of them, because they've basically failed in Forex and now they're selling systems or courses. So that's basically, you need to stay away from that. Stop subscribing to all these multiple different YouTube channels, because it's just clouding your judgment, and it's just, you keep searching for knowledge everywhere you go, and it's just a vicious cycle, and it never stops. I also went through that vicious cycle where I just kept searching, kept subscribing to different YouTube channels, and ultimately it just hinders your trading. If you found a decent strategy and you can profit from that strategy, and it gives you decent risk to reward, and it does, it's back tested and it's given you profits in the past, then obviously, you need to stop searching for videos, because most people are teaching you the exact same thing, but just a different version of it. Okay, so number 3 is you're aiming too big and too fast. Aiming too big too fast. So you guys are coming into the markets, and because you watch a lot of YouTube videos, and you on Instagram, and you're watching all these top guys who are posting big profits and big pips. You guys are expecting that too quickly, and it's not going to happen that quickly. It's going to take time. It's going to take months and maybe even a couple of years for you to actually get into the rhythm of becoming consistently profitable. For some people it takes 6 months, some people it takes 1 year, some people it takes 5 years. It all depends on how badly you want it and how disciplined you are. So you're aiming too big, too fast with your trading. You're putting too much pressure on yourself. putting way too much pressure on yourself in the beginning, which is totally unnecessary. Okay, you need to take a step back and start with a small account and learn how to grow that account. Learn how growth actually happens, how to compound your account. If you want to learn a decent trading strategy and a good trading plan to stick to, just watch my previous video that I posted. It gives you a strategy and it gives you a compounding trading plan. Okay. Also, if you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe to my channel. It'll really help so I can grow this channel, and also gives me the motivation to make more videos if you find my stuff valuable. Because I feel a lot of guys on YouTube are only posting profits and strategies that don't work and just putting false hope into people. And I want to post valuable content that's actually going to help people. So please like and subscribe to my channel. That'll really help. So number 4, the fourth one is your discipline and your emotions. Now, your discipline, you guys are not disciplined. You're not disciplined with your trading plan. You're not disciplined with your strategy. You're strategy hopping. You're strategy hopping. You're revenge trading. All these different things you're actually not putting into practice. You're not sticking to the same strategy. The biggest one for me as well was trading is very, it's a confusing journey at first. And the big tip that I could give you is just focus on one pair. Just focus on one pair. Okay, because most traders, profitable traders, you'll find that they only focus on one pair or two pairs. When I started getting success and consistency in Forex, I only focused on one pair that I found I understood the levels, I understood the numbers around it, and my strategy worked well with it. So that's what I stuck to, and I didn't change that. I didn't start looking at a whole bunch of different pairs. Even if my setup didn't come on that pair for the day, I just wouldn't trade on the day. Now I won't trade on the day. I'll just avoid it. So well, at the beginning of this, your discipline is just you're not going according to your trading plan. You're revenge trading. You're not sticking to what you need to do. Your discipline is the biggest thing in trading. You got to be disciplined psychologically with your strategy as well, with your trading plan, cutting losses, profit taking, not jump after you're losing a trade. After you lose a trade, you can't just jump into the markets again and get back in there trying to recover that loss that you just made. So you got to, all of these things you got to tie together. It's all basically trading psychology. Your trading psychology has to be on point. Otherwise, you're just going to fail in Forex. It's your trading plan, your psychology. It's this whole basket of concepts that you have to put together and not master, but you have to be on top of your game with them. Because the markets are a beast. They can turn on you at any point. It's just, trading is a very difficult game, and it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is the fifth one. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme at all. Okay. Once you start, you've got to start small and learn how to grow a trading account. You have to follow a trading plan, and once you get to a stage where you understand that concept, then you can, and everything's working out for you in terms of your trading plan, then you can start scaling up. If you look at my previous video that I just posted on a trading plan and compounding, so there I give you a strategy. If you can get that right, you need to focus on something like that, all right, and then start scaling up, because that's the only way you're gonna. I mean, you can, as I said in that video, you can take $100 to $1 million in 12 months just by sticking to that strategy and plan. Okay, I've given that to you guys. You can go check it out. So that's what you need to do, in my opinion. All these things are basically the last things that I looked at when I was trading before I started becoming profitable. All these elements that are actually supposed to be the first things to look at. Most traders look at these things right at the end, when they're really battling and when they're really, trading is not working out for them. Then they start going to the core of trading, which is all this stuff that I've just mentioned right here. So, yeah, that's what you need to do, guys. What else can I mention? Yeah, it's not a get rich quick scheme at all. Trading takes growth, and it's a journey. It's a complete journey. It's not going to take 10 years to become profitable. It's not going to take 5 years. Within 6 to 12 months, you can do it with a trading plan and with a good strategy. But it's all going to boil down to your mentality and your discipline. Okay, so if you want to go over this video again and just, write this down or print it out or something, and then just follow these things and just come back to this video when you're battling. The reason why I also like to make a few videos on YouTube is so that I can come back and journal, and come back and actually go through these videos and see what I was thinking, and, at which point I was in my trading journey, and also to help myself get back on track. So I'm also going to come back to this video and go through it again. But yeah, I want to post more videos to give you guys value. And, I just wish you guys the best on your trading journey. And yeah, I think the number one thing is your state of mind. Really focus on that one. You need to be in a state of higher self when trading. You got to be at peak performance. Once I started changing my state of mind, and basically what trading does is it takes out all your bad habits. It reveals your bad habits, and it draws them out of you. It makes you quit a lot of bad habits, which is actually something that I really like about trading. It's taken out a lot of my bad, dirty habits. That's forced me to take out those bad habits and change myself in certain ways, and it's actually improved my way of living. So it's a serious business. You can't just, it's not like a normal day job where you go to work, you work 8 hours or 9 hours, and you get paid at the end of the month. Trading is up and down, and a lot of these concepts, these key concepts, you have to master, otherwise you'll fail. But it's not that difficult. Once you get all of these down and you actually, get to the bottom of these, then trading becomes so much easier. It becomes just like playing a game, but you gotta keep that discipline. Okay, enjoy your weekend, guys. That's all from me, and see you guys. I'll try to post a video soon on different concepts in trading. Cheers.